ZEISS are pioneers in everything that they do, and today MTDCNC are here to investigate the DuraMax, the shop floor CMM. We're also going to hear about the exclusive special offer. Most people have CMMs in a temperature controlled, clean environment, but ZEISS have designed the DuraMax for a shop floor environment. Why is this?
Purposely for efficiency gains. It's a very rugged shop floor machine built to last out of a composite thermal material, temperature gradients from 18 to 30 degrees C in a measuring cube of 500 millimeters.
And how will the efficiency gains be achieved?
By having the machine on the shop floor next to the machine tool, there's no need to take the part into a temperature controlled room to measure it. So hence no walking, very time efficient.
Now, surely having this type of equipment in a shop floor environment where it could be dirty is going to affect the accuracy?
Absolutely not. The accuracy of the DuraMax is 2.4 microns with a 500 millimeter cube measuring range with a vast scanning head.
That's quite impressive. Now, looking at the envelope and the footprint of the machine, it's very small. Now, are you limiting the size of components that you can measure having such a small footprint?
The footprint shape of the machine is 1 meter squared, but the measuring volume is 500 millimeter cubed. So we've done some trials and market research and looked at a medium-sized enterprise of 300 millimeters was their maximum size. So everything they can produce fits on the DuraMax.
So kind of this lends itself to most components effectively.
Absolutely, the accuracy is 2.4 microns, so there's not many artifacts, parts needed for tighter tolerances.
I mean, through my own experience, I never had to work to them type of tolerances in the aerospace industry and other industries in which I've worked in. Now, a lot of your other CMMs are all using the Calypso software, which is unique to yourself. Is the DuraMax going to have this offering?
Absolutely. Calypso is our core product. It fits on every single CMM we produce, all items. It's CAD-based software, object-orientated, and with some of the efficiency gains we see using PMI, we believe programming can cut down by 80%.
Well, apologies for the probing questions. You've certainly sold it to me. Now, what's the exclusive special offer on the DuraMax?
It's a full scanning machine. It comes with installation, training, warranty, CAD software, styli, everything you need to get going, £43 a day.